Patel Science College is a noteworthy symphony of higher education in various disciplines of science, was established in the year 1967 and is affiliated to Sardar Patel University located in Milk City, Anand. Over the years, it has been an educational hub of western part of India. M.B. Patel Science College is one of the oldest college of that era, named after Maganbhai Bhikhabhai Patel, one of the contributor in developing the college, having an campus area about 28,852 square meter, and it provides an ideal teaching learning atmosphere combining all the comforts and amenities required to facilitate knowledge to the students.
ચરોતરના અગ્રગણ્ય નાગરિકો દ્વારા 1916માં સ્કૂલના શિક્ષણને ધ્યાનમાં રાખી ચરોતર એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટીની સ્થાપના કરવામાં. સ્કૂલના શિક્ષણથી આગળ વધી આ જ વહીવટકર્તાઓ દ્વારા બાજુમાં જ વિદ્યાનગરની સ્થાપના 1945માં કરવામાં આવી, કે જ્યાં અત્યારે ઉચ્ચ શિક્ષણની તમામ કોલેજો કાર્યરત છે. એટલે આ જ વહીવટકર્તાઓએ સ્કૂલ અને ઉચ્ચ શિક્ષણને ખૂબ જ સુંદર રીતે ચરોતરના બધા જ વિદ્યાર્થીઓને શિક્ષણ મળી રહે એ હેતુસર વિકસાવ્યું છે.
The college aspired to accelerate development of the society by mainstreaming the education process by facilitating higher education amongst deprived strata of the Charotar region. With the motive to facilitate access to knowledge, the college uses education as an instrument for bringing in change and progress to build a bright future. Moreover, it provides opportunity to hidden talents and keep pace with technology. Principally, the college started with basic sciences like chemistry, physics, mathematics, and biology. Having its roots developed in the basic science and meeting the demand of the current science, it also has made itself proficient with the modern science like microbiology, biochemistry, electronics, computer science, statistics, and self-finance programs like biotechnology and medical laboratory technology.
કોલેજ સરદાર પટેલ યુનિવર્સિટી સાથે સંલગ્ન છે. સરદાર પટેલ યુનિવર્સિટીમાં 2010 જૂનથી CBCS પ્રમાણે સેમેસ્ટર પ્રથાનો અમલ કરવામાં છે. સેમેસ્ટર પ્રથામાં દરેક મંડળ, દરેક સિન્ડિકેટ સભ્ય અને વાઇસ ચાન્સેલર સાહેબ સતત માર્ગદર્શક બની રહ્યા છે. CBCS પ્રથાથી વિદ્યાર્થીઓને ખૂબ જ મોટો ફાયદો જણાઈ રહ્યો છે. તેમાં ચાલતા અભ્યાસક્રમો એ વિદ્યાર્થીઓના હિતમાં છે.
With regular conventional methods used for classroom teaching, modern and practical approaches like seminars, group discussion, visits to industries and institutions, and tools such as overhead projector, multimedia projector, and a variety of audio-visual aids are emphasized for effective teaching and instructions. With the foreseeable demand of networking in today's world, it has a networking center. Beside the educational outlook, the college has other facilities which includes library. To aid the conception of knowledge, the college has its own library which is well equipped and framed to meet the profile of knowledge. The library has about more than 20,000 books, where around 10,000 books are funded by the UGC and the rest are managed by the college itself. Each year, the society sanctions a budget to each department for the upgradation of the books. Besides the subjective books, it also comprises of monthly magazines and daily newspaper. The library is operated by the latest software, Soul, a bit to manage the books. Moreover, the library has inbuilt reading area for the students to read during free hours. Science being the subject with a practical approach, the college has all the necessary tools, equipments and well-architected laboratories meeting the requirement of the individual subject. The laboratories are facilitated with advanced instrument providing a keyhole for the students to become skilled in its respective fields. With individual laboratory facilities, the college also has developed a research room to emphasize the research area for faculty members and students. It is a space with high configured instruments like HPLC, FTIR, bioreactor. Computer Center with UGC NRC Networking Center. The college has provision for housing for girls which is in the campus. Being economic, it also provides basic facilities required for accommodation. The hostel capacity is about 200 girls. With preliminary facilities, it also provides a computer room, prayer hall, dining hall, and a common room. Moreover, special care is taken about the diet and health of students, as well as extra activities like dancing, sports, indoor games are provided to students. Special security and discipline are regulated and monitored in the hostel. The hostel provides a homely environment.
पहले हम लोग यहाँ पे आए तो हमें बहुत घर की याद आई, फिर अब ऐसा लगता है कि हमें ये हॉस्टल छोड़ के ही नहीं जाना है.
અહીંયા મને સિનિયર પણ બહુ સપોર્ટ કરે છે. એ ક્યારે પણ એવું નથી લાગવા દેતા કે અમારાથી નાના છે.
Food being the basic need, the college has its own canteen where all types of nutritious food and snacks are served. The food being economic, special care is taken for the food to be hygiene. The canteen is regularly monitored by the members of society, taking no chance with the health of students. The college, with a soothing environment for the learning, maintains regular disciplines where college rules are strictly followed. Talking about the minds and hands of college, it is rooted with highly educated and experienced staff in their respective fields. Moreover, the academic staff is keen about the current research and scenario in academics, making a standard in their respective field across the globe. The hands of the college, the administrative staff is punctual, earnest, and works fulfilling the demands and needs of students and college. Providing itself as an brilliance for academics in every way, the college, on the other hand, takes every measure for the development of students in co-curricular activities as well as extracurricular activities. It has been contributing generously to the goal of nation edifice through National Cadet Corps, National Social Services and sports in every facet like cricket, basketball, at university, state and national levels. It has also generated a healthy cultural impression upholding unity in diversity through Cultural Youth Festival, Saptadhara, and represent itself to West Zone Inter-University Youth Festival.
पहला नंबर M.B. पटेल साइंस कॉलेज।
Talking about my campus and my college is very tremendous. The college is all good. It is yes, the college is all good, I can say, and principal is very good. I mean, he's making his restless efforts to make the best education for us. He's very innovative and he's very decent and personality, I can say.
The environment, the teaching faculties are so good. They teach us in every field. They encourage us in every field, like co-curricular activities, studies, sports, so on.
Hi, we are the students of M.B. Patel Science College. I am very proud to be here. The teaching here is very good. Faculty are very supportive, and the college is very nice. The construction over here is the best, and we are just very happy to be a part of this college, and we just love our college.
We love MB!
It also carries out various competition and celebrate days and festival at intra-collegiate level. To create awareness in society, it carries out various society awareness programs.
કોલેજમાં સત્રના પ્રથમ દિવસે અભિમુક્તા કાર્યક્રમનું આયોજન કરવામાં આવે છે. તેમાં વિદ્યાર્થીઓને તેમના અભ્યાસ અંગેની પૂરેપૂરી સમજ આપવામાં આવે છે. તેમજ વિદ્યાર્થી જીવનમાં જે વ્યસનો છે તમાકુ અંગેના અથવા તેનાથી થતા રોગ અંગેની એની પણ પૂરી નિષ્ણાતો દ્વારા સમજ આપવામાં આવે છે. કોઈ પણ જાતનું ડ્રગ્સ અથવા એનાથી વિદ્યાર્થીઓમાં વ્યસન ન લાગુ પડી જાય એની પણ સમજ આપવામાં આવે છે. અને આ માટે એક કમિટી બનાવી એનું સતત મોનિટરિંગ કરવામાં આવે છે. મંડળ વિદ્યાર્થીઓ તેમજ અધ્યાપકોના હિતમાં કામ કરે છે. તેઓ તરફથી સિક્યોરિટી અને હાઉસકીપિંગનો કોન્ટ્રાક્ટ આપવામાં આવેલો છે કે જેનાથી સ્વાસ્થ્ય દરેક ક્ષેત્રે જળવાઈ રહે. વિદ્યાર્થીઓના અભ્યાસમાં ઉત્સાહ જળવાઈ રહે તે માટે વાર્ષિક દિન નિમિત્તે રોકડ તેમજ મેડલથી વિદ્યાર્થીઓને બહુમાન કરવામાં છે. દરેક કેટેગરીમાં દરેક કર્મચારી ઉત્સાહપૂર્વક અને દિલથી કામ કરી શકે માટે રોકડ ઇનામ જાહેર કરવામાં આવે છે.
The college, which started with a motive to build a future of the upcoming generation, has expressed to its mark by providing the means of knowledge to every aspect, and has been recognized by the UGC New Delhi Commission as the college with potential of excellence for 2 consecutive terms. The college is a grant-in-aid college facilitating co-education. It has been accredited in the year 2008 with CGPA of 2.90. The college is also an authorized center for SCOPE, DEL and GKS initiated by the Government of Gujarat. Every year, the college organizes campus interview of reputed industries and organizations. Abiding with the beliefs of Swami Vivekananda,
उत्तिष्ठ जाग्रत प्राप्य वरन्नि बोधत तस्मै ज्ञानिम् उपदेश्यति शतवदर्शिनम्.
each day it welcomes the future with an urge to spread the essence of knowledge across the globe to make a better today and tomorrow.